everybody, this is Nathan with Rocky Mountain Twist and Montana Brand Tools. Today I'm here to talk to you about our latest woodworking set. This is a set we put together from a selection of tools that are tailored towards your woodworking market. So let's take a little bit closer look at what's inside. Specifically in this set, we've got 6 brad point drills in a variety of sizes from 1/8 inch up to 1/2 inch. What those are going to allow you to do is cut precision, reliably placed holes with a good quality hole finish in your woodworking projects. Unlike a lot of woodworking drills on the market, our brad points, simply put, actually work. They've got a patented point design with some web thinning and what we call a dihedral point. And I think if you give them a try, you'll find that unlike everybody else's, ours actually do the job they were intended to do. Couple that with the fact that we've got our sort of gold standard in innovation here with the drill drive tool. This is a tool that allows you to drill, countersink, or counterbore your particular hole, flip over, contains a drive bit on the other side, and you can then drive your fastener through that. It also contains the innovative onboard hex key for the modular exchange of those components. We include a couple of those extra components in here, so you've got the ability to cut a combination of 3 different drill, pilot, countersink sizes. Once you're done with your drill drive tool, if you're choosing that counterbore option and you've got that screw head recessed and you want to hide the fact that you were ever there, we're including our self-centering plug cutter, also a patented item. You can cut those plugs by hand without use of drill press. It's the only one intended to be used for a cordless tool. These would be impact compatible or standard cordless tool compatible, and you can cut your plug on your job site without the use of a drill press and then make that plug, fill your hole, and finish your project cleanly out there on the job site or where you might not have your full shop available to you. They're also completely compatible with your drill press if you choose that option as well. We also include a selection of replacement bits as well as a selection of common driving bits that would be helpful for the woodworker. Your Robertson, your Torx, and your Phillips type bits. You will find that all of these tools are quick change compatible, and then of course the tri-flat or non-slip type shank is also on our brad point drills. This is our Montana brand SXT Deluxe Woodworking Set.